Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the global discount in Odoo POS. So global discount in Odoo POS allow you to apply a discount to the entire order rather than an individual product. This can be useful for promotion, sales, or customer loyalty programs and all. Now let's dive into the point of sale and we just need to enable this feature. So here you can find different point of sale that is available in your database. I just need to configure the global discount for clothes shop. So let me move on to the configuration settings of clothes shop where you can just choose that option and go to the configuration settings. And as you just drag down here, you can find the global discounts. So we just need to enable that. And after setting the global discounts, we also just need to set the discount product over here. You can also set the percentage of discount over there. So as you just move on to the internet link, you can see that the product type is set to goods. And let's move on to the setting itself. And we can just change the global discount over here as 20%. So let me choose that and let me change this into 20%. Afterwards, we have to save the changes in the configuration settings. Now let's move on to the dashboard and choose the clothes shop so that you can just move on to the point of sale and let me open the register. So as you just open the register here, you can just choose open register and choose different items that you want to add in your cart. And I would like to add different items such as the Odoo sneakers, then casualty name and all. And let me add few more items. Yeah, green hood and a sports shoe as well. Afterwards, here you can find an action button and here you can also find a button called discounts. So as you just enable the global discounts, this button will be visible. If you are not enabling that, you can see it will be showing as a theme like the reward button. So let me choose that. And here you can see that as we just set 20% of discount as the global discount, it is given over here. If you want to change the discount, you can also, it's not possible to change that discount. If you're setting it as 0, then you just need to set the discount over here manually. So let me click on OK so that the 20% of discount is just applied over here. Now you can just make the payment by choosing the customer. So let me choose the customer as uh, Colleen Diaz and let's move on to the payment. And from there, you can just choose a card in order to make the payment. And if you want to just get the invoice, you can just choose that option and click on validate. And after processing, you can see the invoice over here. So you can see all the details with the product and discount that is applied. So that's how we just manage with the global discounts. And we know that the global discounts are not applied to the individual product, that will be applied for the entire order. So I hope this video clarifies what's a global discount and how it's applied in point of sale. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.